All right, hey, how's it going? Third period. Tom Burns here, coming at you with the rundown on the basics of communism. And so, what communism is it's a branch of socialism, and both of these are economic structures that promote the abolition of social classes, and no inequality is a big focus. And so what communism is it's a more extreme version of socialism in that the government, right, controls all means of economics. They control everything, they regulate everything, and there's absolutely no private property. It's all public, it's all owned by the government and basically the people, right? Commune people. And so here we got this monster that is the government trying to, run out private capitalists kind of in a way and spread that wealth that all the capitalists have around. And here's the big example of communism, which is the USSR, Soviet Russia. And yeah. All right, so now this quote, from each according to his ability, to each according to his need, is basically saying that each person in the community, right, should do as much as they can, right? And in return, each person will get according to what they need, right? So they'll get, like, even this family, they'll get, the food they need, even if they didn't put in near as much work as this big, strong guy lifting a boulder, right? It's like a boxer doing all that work in Animal Farm. So everybody puts in, but that doesn't mean that you get more out because you put more in. It means you get what you need out, but you put in what you can. So more you put in, more everybody gets out, but not necessarily you. So basically the main focus of communism is to basically eliminate what capitalism creates, is that social and economic inequality of wealth, right? So there's that big rich 1%, and then there's all that poor, and what communism and socialism is, they want to get rid of that. Okay, so Thomas More wrote Utopia, which was kind of a perfect society, just like communism was supposed to be. And also in it, he said no private property, just like communism. And Jean Rousseau wrote Social Contract, which was the general will, which is kind of the basis of communism, which is everyone in the community works together for one purpose, and that's the benefit of everyone, which is what communism is. So the Communist Manifesto, written by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, two German social scientists, was basically a criticism of capitalism and how capitalism production meant abusing the working class, and it led to great economic inequality. And the Communist Manifesto, it was also kind of a basis for what communism government should be, and it kind of stated how basically government would, or economic policy would transfer from capitalism, and then because of the proletariat's revolts, it would turn into socialism, and then finally communism, which was the end and the utopian society of equality that these two guys believed was the best for all the people. Also, during this time period, there was the revolts of 1848, which were revolts all across Europe that were kind of lobbying for more equal representation in government and just more equality all around in government and in economic distribution of wealth.